I'm Makey Mackie, and in this episode I make this freestanding bike rack. So the bike rack is a pretty straightforward build, and because of that I've decided to challenge myself to using only two tools, and I've got a circular saw and a drill. Now, as I just said, the build is pretty straightforward. All I need is the two side upright root supports. There's a shelf behind the front panel for a scooter to sit in and any other pieces. The front panel, and then the base, which will be filled with concrete. Now, I've got a day bed that I pulled apart, which is built out of MDF, and that's what I'm going to use today. But you could just use a sheet of MDF or a sheet of plywood. So that's it for the bike rack. Let me know down below what you think about it. I might go along and repaint it and fill in the holes, but honestly I probably won't because I'm not really that concerned about it. But I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. The concrete in the bottom definitely, I think, helps with it being more sturdy. And it definitely cleans up the shop a bit more with the bikes being put away. I mean, to be completely honest, the whole reason why I made it so the bikes would hang was so they wouldn't sit out so far, rather than just going into like a holder on the floor. And they probably actually stick out a little bit more, if not the same amount, than they would have if they were just sitting on their wheels. But I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. And yeah, there's room for the scooter storage up the top here. I might add a hook to hang my son's helmet. And I just sat his other scooter down the bottom, mainly because I didn't really think about that one at the time, because I don't know, I just didn't. But yeah, pretty happy with how it turned out. Now, if you want to follow me on social media, you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. I have links to those down below. Be sure to hit that subscribe button down below as well, so you don't miss any future videos. And I've also have a podcast called Clampcast, and you can find that in a link down below as well. And I'll see you next time.